Hi guys, today is workshop day Thursday and we are going to have a new focus as well as some ongoing focuses. You have been working on your film project and today you're going to start considering the movie poster. So today's focus is keeping with the footage collection but then also moving into the movie poster, which is another added element that you don't want to forget. You also have a question on Google Classroom that you need to answer. It's 15 points and it has to be posted by 4 p.m. today. If you don't do that, you're going to get half credit. And I want to make sure that you give me some information about where you're at and how you're doing so I can give you feedback as you finish up Friday and Monday's workshop. Moving into today, if you haven't talked about this already, I want to make sure you're talking about the work that is required in your groups of 2 to 3, so that is collaborative. When you do group work, a lot of kids, one person will do the work and then the other people get credit. The thing about this project is it does need to be collaborative. You will do a review of each other on Wednesday for final exam, but also there's a lot of responsibilities with this project, so I want to make sure you're working together. One good way to show collaboration is to dole out tasks, just like this is puzzle pieces, so it all comes together. The other way to show good collaboration is to create a team drive. So when you do the team drive, you're going to go to your waffle, and you're going to go to your drive, and then you're going to go to team drives. When you get to team drives, you're going to go to the new button, and you're going to create a new team drive. When you make the new team drive, somebody will have to do this, and then when you do that, you will be able to invite people to the team drive. And you go up here to add members, and then you type in their email, and then this way anybody can put things in here. Basically, it is a digital folder for everybody to share. So I could go out and do some footage outside, and then my friend Sally could go do some footage like close-ups on a desk, and then Betty could work on the movie poster, and we can all put the material in here. So moving back to the PowerPoint, the poster is one of the responsibilities. It is part of the rubric. I don't want you to forget about it. So when it comes to the poster, what I recommend you do is you go to Google and you Google create movie posters and you see what pops up. And then make a poster that represents your film. So there's a lot of cool posters, and they could be graphic, they could be collage-like. If you notice, they all feature the title of the work. They sometimes showcase the people who are in the work. I really like the Jaws. That one's really cool. This one's feels a little basic to me, but that one is more artistic. That one's more humorous. That one's kind of funny framed. This one's like looks like a profile pic. This one's got a little bit more of an action scene. That one's more of an actual sketch. That one's more of a graphic quality. But somebody's got to make a poster. You can draw it, and you could also use something called Canva. So Canva is a poster maker, and I apologize, that noise in the background is my dog running around chasing a ball. So when you go to Canva, you will log on to Canva and you will use your Google. And when you get onto Canva, this program will allow you to create designs, and you can create a social media post, or you could do like a poster. And when you click on this, there's lots of different templates, so you could do an event or an advertising poster. But as you can see, when I click on certain resources, you have this pop up, which is free, which is awesome. The problem though, sometimes you will go to the different elements and some of them are not free. So you got to be careful. So when you put your little cursor over it, free, 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 free. But if you go down, this is a very generous thing. But when you go down, what will happen is some of the options will be like they'll cost money. Like right there, that one costs money. And the problem is when you put it on here, it'll let you put it on here, but when you're ready to download your poster to submit for grade, you're going to go to print poster, or no, excuse me, you're going to go to download the poster, and you're going to do the PDF, and you'll be able to download it, and then you can print it as a nice pretty poster that you can submit for a grade. So that program is called Canva, and it's just a nice media maker. I think it's better than trying to use Google Docs. And it will make my poster. So today you have a to-do list. Your mentor text and storyboard, those things should be done. But if not, you need to finish them. The next thing is, have you started your movie poster? Make sure you think about that. Do you have a team drive? Maybe that needs to be established. And then finally, maybe you need to start getting some footage. So good luck for Thursday, and to close out, please don't forget to answer the status question for a grade.